What up, YouTube? It's your boy Hemi and I'm back again with another video for y'all, man. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, turn that post bell notification on so y'all don't miss a drop. And yeah, we gonna go ahead and get into this video today. Like I say, it's just another video of me winging it right now, but need to put some gas in the car real quick and yeah, all that good stuff. Just got a little confused. 93, of course. 93, of course. All right, y'all. So, give y'all a quick walk around of the car for all my new subscribers. This is my 2013 Chrysler 300C all-wheel drive with a 5.7 Hemi in it. Couple things that's done to the car. It is from the exhaust wise. It is straight piped. It is H pipe, no cats, and no mufflers, no resonators, none of that. So it's just straight piped all the way back from an H pipe. So yeah, that's that. And then it's also got a Diablo Stage 1 performance tune. And then I asked him to throw the burples in on the, you know, when I'm decelling and all that stuff. I think that's the word for it, decelling, I think. Yeah, so when I'm decelling or whatever, that's why it pops and crackles like that. Just real light, real faint. So, you feel me? You feel me? So, I threw a little 25 in here for right now. And we're gonna get on the highway and we gonna drive, you feel me? We're gonna do some driving. It's a little chilly out here, but it's actually better than what it's been, man. And as y'all can see, I have my sunroof open because I just love the sunroof now. Like, that's one thing that I missed when I had got this car. That's a start up for y'all. And yeah, I just missed the sunroof. All right, y'all, let's get into the car and let's get this POV on the way. I'm gonna do the head mount, head strap too, so y'all, yeah, it's about to be one of those. All right, y'all, I believe y'all are properly mounted. If I'm not mistaken, I believe y'all properly mounted. Sunroof vibes. Oh yeah, y'all, we took the stars out. Nothing wrong with the stars. I didn't feel like going through the hassle of putting it all back in when I did the sunroof, because as y'all know, my sunroof was messed up and I didn't feel like doing the hassle of redoing it again. So with that being said, this was basically the outcome, and I'm honestly happy because I have a sunroof again now, so I'm happy, you feel me? So yeah. Alright, y'all, let me make sure I look, you feel me? I'm not gonna bore y'all by sitting at these lights though. I will not do that. I will not do that. So y'all already know I'm gonna pick the camera back up when we get to that highway. Y'all, so y'all can see we are on the highway. Hopefully the sunroof wind noise is not too much. Hold on, I gotta hear how it sounds with the vent, because I know when I had my last sunroof in, it had like a whistle to it, and it probably wasn't the sunroof, it probably just the way that it is. Look at that Hummer, y'all. Damn, we can't even get on the highway. Trying to get in. This nigga in front of me driving slow than a motherfucker. Slow than a fuck. truck's back there going crazy. It's something that I wanted to talk about. When I think about it, I definitely will speak on it. Oh, yeah, basically just for motivational purposes. Like, after installing the sunroof and seeing this thing open back up and all that good stuff, it's really been a great feeling to know, like, that you getting somewhere. Like, your progress might not be as good as somebody else's, or it seems like somebody else is, their progress is better than yours. But I'm telling y'all, when you doing stuff and you feel like you actually getting somewhere, no matter how big, small, no matter if it happened, no matter how long ago it happened, you feel me? He's stomping that BMW. Now that's another definition of cutting out. But yeah, back to what I was saying. Like, just the simple fact of, I hear that mother popping up there. Yeah, just a simple fact of, like, getting somewhere with basically whatever you doing in life. Like, either social media, building cars, or just gaming, or like basically whatever you doing in life, bro. Like, to actually get somewhere or to see progress in yourself and your build, like, it's definitely a great feeling, bro. You feel me? Like I'm proud of. Okay, I guess that's just, you feel me? That's just the win. That's just what it's gonna do. So for right now, let me close that up so I can finish talking to y'all. But yeah, it's like, after putting that in, it just took me back to like a time, like, even with the car being the way that it is, all razzle dazzled up with the lights and all that stuff. Even though I got the floor lights been with me from that, like, 3 cars ago. These are the floor lights that been with me 3 cars ago, and believe it or not, these floor lights still work with the app on my phone and all that good stuff. Like, they still work flawlessly. But without seeing it with the star lights and the lights around the trim, and then just seeing it like this, it just took me back to, like, a way that the car used to be. And, like, it's a good feeling with the car being the way that it is. I mean, even with the way that it is, you feel me? Like it'll take you back to, like, when you first got it. But, like, you know that it's nothing like when you first got it. You feel me? Like, I got this car at 53K miles, you feel me? Like, 2 years ago, or a year and a half ago, 2 years ago, whatever the case is. And now it's at 96,000 miles, you feel me? Almost 100,000 miles later. And I haven't had to do any real maintenance to the car, really, you feel me? Except that wiring harness they talking about is the PCM. You will have to go back a couple videos to see all of that crap they put me through. And for it to be something as small as a wiring harness, they took me through the ringer, you feel me? But I feel like that was bogus, because if you diagnosing the car, oh yeah, it's this, and then it's this, and then it's this, that problem fix it. None of those problems that you said it was didn't fix it. Then the problem fixed it when you finally changed just the wiring harness, or looked actually into it, and it fixed it after 6 months, you know. But that's a different story than itself. Y'all let me know in the comment section down below if y'all want to hear about that story. Anyways, it's like, this car has been very reliable. A lot of people tell me, oh, you should swap it, you should swap it, you should swap it, this, that, and the third. And it's like, honestly, all I either want to do is cam and headers, just to hear it chop, or to give it that little more horsepower. Or I eventually really want to save up for a Torque Storm Supercharged or something, you feel me? Like, I want to be different, you know. That's why I made my channel. I always wanted to be different, do different things. That's why I started the headlight thing with the little red bezel and like all these unique touches on the car. Like, I wanted to be different. Like, yeah, sometimes I stepped into the trends of, like, the star lights and the ambient lighting, because I was like, oh, that looked like that'd be good. But yeah, and then with the tune and stuff, like I feel like honestly, I didn't see that many. Like, let me know in the comment section down below. I did not see this many Hemis that was tuned with the pops and the crackles and stuff. I did not see. Every time I looked it up, because I wanted to hear how it sound, it's very rare that I've seen any videos on it. You feel me? And like now, everybody is doing it. You feel me? So, and I ain't tripping on it, but it's like that's something that that's one of the things that I always wanted to do. And yeah, it's just crazy. It's just crazy seeing the progress and all that stuff and where my channel has come from and started. I know it might not seem like, well, to me, it seemed like my channel was booming, you know. I stay in my lane, I do my videos. I collab with people, I collab with people, but I'm not at that point where I would feel comfortable doing videos with people every day. Like I like to do my own thing whenever I'm ready to do my own thing, you know. That's just how I am. I don't mind collabing with, like, if it was like genuine, like people that I know or like friends that I came up with, I wouldn't mind, you know. And there's no hate, shade towards other people, but like, because you know that's how you really get yourself out there. But that's why I'm mainly more so on the slower grind, because I don't do collabing with all those other people because of the stuff that they into and the stuff that I'm into. Like, we all into the same thing at the end of the day, but it's like shit, I feel like I'm really in my own lane with this car shit. Like, honestly, I do all my own work. I build on my own car, you feel me? Anything that, like the sunroof, man, I took that bitch out and I popped another one in there, and it's working OEM, like, you know, from factory, like it ain't never happened. And I'm just glad that I can touch up on miscellaneous or tedious things, you feel me? I'm not gonna go that way right now. I'm just happy that I can touch up on miscellaneous and tedious things on the car that I've been like dying to fix, you know. I ain't really got around to it or had the money, or I ended up doing something else. And like, honestly, the deals have been falling in my favor with stuff that I needed to touch up on tedious wise and stuff like that, and the prices and the people that I ran across and just stuff like that. I know that I need to vlog more on stuff like that. I need to start vlogging more, because just on stuff like that in general, because you can really find some good stuff out there. You just gotta look, take your time, golly, take your time and be patient, basically, and it's all gonna start working out. You feel me? Because a month and a half ago, I mean, not a month and a half ago, a year and a half ago, I think that was, or a year ago, I thought it was pretty much over for this car. I thought it was pretty much, I'm like, dang, stuff finna slow down. My YouTube finna slow down. But it's like, I kind of felt like a lot of people didn't want to see this car the way that it was when it was banged up the way that it was. You feel me? I feel like some people did want to see it, but like, I made a huge comeback from, you know, where this car was. You feel me? And I'm grateful. I'm proud of that. And yeah, I'm just grateful for it, to be able to do the stuff that I did. Yeah, I'm grateful, for real. But that's enough of talking y'all ear off. I done made it to another gas station. I ain't been to this gas station in so long, y'all. So long. I ain't been here so long. Y'all. But let me find somewhere to close out this video real quick, man. right, y'all. Let me close this video out, bro. Cause you never know when you gotta have a video, or like it's about to be that time of the, it's about to be that time real soon to where you on the highway and y'all just cutting up and you just need both hands, for safety, man. But like I said, I'm gonna give y'all one more look at a car walk around. Cause like I said, this car came a long freaking way, man. Came a long way. And all my OG subscribers, I always used to take pictures right here. Stuff like that, I always used to drop hella pictures right here. And like now to see this car under this light, looking the way that it looked, like it's crazy. So basically what I'm saying is this is like a motivational video. Y'all can do it too, basically, man. Honestly, truthfully. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video, man. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment. Turn that post bell notification on so y'all don't miss a drop. And we almost at that 10K mark. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video, man. Peace.